Question 1. What is the minimum voting age in Australia? A. 16 years. B. 18 years. C. 21 years. Correct answer. 18 years. Citizens aged 18 and over are required to vote. Compulsory voting encourages broad participation, ensuring election results are representative and that citizens exercise their democratic rights responsibly. Question 2. What is the main purpose of the police? A. Enforce the law and keep the community safe. B. Make new laws. C. Make new laws. Correct answer. A. Enforce the law and keep the community safe. The police protect people and property, prevent crime, and ensure laws are followed. They do not make laws. Their role is to enforce existing laws and maintain order, contributing to a safe and fair society. Question 3. What does fair go mean? A. It's a sports rule. B. Only rich people get ahead. C. Everyone should have equal opportunities. Correct answer, C. Everyone should have equal opportunities. A fair go means giving everyone a fair chance to succeed, regardless of background, wealth, or status. It's an important Australian value connected to equality and fairness. Question 4. Who can run for Parliament in Australia? A. Australian citizens aged 18. B. Permanent residents. C. Visitors. Correct answer. Australian citizens aged 18. Only citizens aged 18 or older may run for office. This ensures that lawmakers have a strong connection and commitment to the country. Question 5. What is the highest level of government? A. State government. B. Federal government. C. Local council. A. State government. B. Federal government. C. Local council. The federal government manages national matters such as defence, immigration, taxation and foreign affairs. States and councils handle local issues. Question 6. What is the main purpose of the Governor-General? A. Pass laws. B. Lead the military. C. Represent the King in Australia. Correct answer, C. Represent the King in Australia. The Governor-General acts on behalf of the King, performing ceremonial duties, signing bills into law, and ensuring the government follows the Constitution. They do not make laws or lead the military. Question 7. What is one Australian value? A. Respect for the freedom and dignity of the individual. B. Obeying a king without question. C. One religion for all. Correct answer. A. Respect for the freedom and dignity of the individual. Australia values freedom and dignity, meaning people have rights to live, speak and make choices while being treated fairly. Question 8. What came into force on January 1st, 1901? A. The Australian Constitution. B. The legislative branch. C. The executive branch. Correct answer. A. The Australian Constitution. The Constitution of Australia came into force on January 1st, 1901. This date marks the establishment of the Commonwealth of Australia as a federation, unifying the 6 separate colonies into a single nation. Question 9. Who has the power to make and change laws in Australia? A. Parliament. B. Prime Minister. C. Court. Correct answer. A. Parliament. In Australia, Parliament has the authority to make and change laws, introducing new legislation and modifying existing ones as necessary to govern society effectively. Question 10. What is another name for the Senate? A. The People's House. B. The Upper House. C. The Lower House. Correct answer. B. The Upper House. The Senate is called the Upper House because it is considered to be higher in status or authority compared to the House of Representatives. Question 11. What is the number of senators in general? A. 66, B. 76, C. 86. Correct answer, B. 76. The total number of senators in Australia is 76. This is comprised of 12 senators from each of the 6 states, a total of 72 senators, and 2 senators from each of the 2 territories, a total of 4 senators. Question 12. What is the total number of members of Parliament that Australians elect? A. 150, B. 160, C. 170. Correct answer, 150. In Australia, Australians elect 150 members of Parliament to serve in the House of Representatives, one of the 2 chambers of the Australian Parliament. Each seat in the House of Representatives represents an electoral division or electorate. Question 13. The term used to describe the freedom for individuals to express their thoughts and opinions on any subject, as well as engage in discussions with others, is known as A. Freedom of religion, B. Freedom of speech, C. Freedom of association. Correct answer, B. Freedom of speech. In Australia, individuals have the freedom to express themselves openly and exercise their right to freedom of expression as long as their actions comply with the law. Question 14. What colours do you think the Torres Strait Islander flag has? A. Green, blue, black and white. B. Green, blue, red and white. C. Green, blue, yellow and white. Correct answer. A. Green, blue, black, and white. There are 4 colours on the flag of the Torres Strait Islander. They are green, blue, black and white. 1. The green is for the land. 2. The black represents the people. 3. The blue is for the sea. 4. The white of the star represents peace. Question 15. How many official flags are there in Australia? A1, B2, C3. Correct answer, C3. Australia has 3 official flags: the Australian national flag, the Aboriginal flag, and the Torres Strait Islander flag. Question 16. On the background of the Commonwealth coat of arms, there is an image of A. 2 emus, B. Golden wattle, C. A kangaroo. Correct answer, golden wattle. The Commonwealth coat of arms symbol features the golden wattle as its background element. The golden wattle is a native Australian plant and is recognised as Australia's national floral emblem. Question 17. What does the white dancer's headdress seen in the Torres Strait Islander flag mean? A. All islands. B. The land. C. Symbol for all Torres Strait Islanders. Correct answer, C. Symbol for all Torres Strait Islanders. The white headdress of a dancer in the centre of the flag is a symbol for all Torres Strait Islanders. Question 18. When was gold discovered in the colonies of Victoria and New South Wales? A. 1751, B. 1851, C. 1981. Correct answer. 1851. The discovery of gold in 1851 in Bathurst, New South Wales, and later in Ballarat and Bendigo in Victoria, marked the start of the Australian gold rushes. Question 19. Which of the following states on the mainland is the smallest? A. South Australia, B. Victoria, C. Tasmania. Correct answer, C. Tasmania. The order of the Australian states and continental territories in descending order based on their land area is as follows. 1. Western Australia 2, Queensland 3, New South Wales 4, Northern Territory 5, South Australia 6, Victoria 7, Tasmania 8, Australian Capital Territory. Question 20. Do you know what Australia's national anthem is? A. Celebrate Sydney. B. Celebrate Sydney. C. Advance Australia Fair. Correct answer, C. Advance Australia Fair. Advance Australia Fair is the national anthem of Australia. It was adopted as the national anthem in 1984, replacing God Save the Queen. Thank you for watching. How many questions did you pass? Don't forget to like, subscribe for me. Bye.